Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how to simulate LED blinking program for the LPC2148 microcontroller. So you have to go to the Kill software, then create project in this Kill software. Then I have created one folder. In that folder, I am going to give some name like LED blink to the project name. This is project name LED blink. And then you have to search for this legacy software device or legacy device database, then type LPC2148, okay, and click on this, click OK, yes, okay, okay. Now after this you'll see this target group, then click on file, new, and I have already written this program, so I'm just pasting it here, okay, and I have to save this program, so save the program in the same folder, so LED .c extension I am giving because this program is in embedded C. So here I have created one function void delay, then void main program, then IO direction. This register is used to set particular pin of port as an input or output. If you write 1, then this particular port pin will be declared as output pin. So I am writing 1, so this particular port 0 now acting as a output port. Then while 1 is infinite loop. Then next is IO set 0. So I am setting that particular port 0 pin to the high state, okay, so that LED will be in on state. Then delay program. So here we are having this delay subroutine. So in delay subroutine I am taking one unsigned integer I and I am applying for loop. So for I is equal to 0 to the 30,000 it will be in this loop, and after that it will come back to the main program, okay. And then I am clearing the port pin using this IOCLR register, that is input output clear 0 register is equal to F. I am FFF. I am writing again 1 to clear these port pins, and then again delay. So your LED will be in on state, then off, then delay, then off state, then delay. And if we execute this program continuously, which is obviously in while one loop, which is in infinite loop, so you will get LED blinking, okay. So after saving this program, you have to add this program into the source group. So just right click, add existing file. You will see this C file. So you will see this uh, all files. So you should see this LED. Okay, just wait. I have not saved this. Okay, just save file, save as, then in this folder led.c. I have saved, actually I saved in the another folder. So add existing file to this, then search for this LED. You will see this LED program, then add and then close. Okay, now you can see this particular program in this folder. Now after this, just build program. You should get 0 error, 0 warning. If you are getting some warnings, then it is fine, no problem. Okay, we are just ignoring this warning. You can remove this warning if you want. Now then click on start stop debug session. Now after this, you can see the waveform if you want by clicking this particular analysis window, or you can just go to the peripheral and select port 1, port 0, okay, and then run the program. Now you can see all the pins of this particular port are in blinking state, okay. You can check the waveform also. Just go to the waveform analysis, then setup, then add port 0, sorry, add port 0, and then you can see, you'll see this waveform, square waveform, okay. So this program is without timer. So this is a random delay we have generated for the LED blinking, okay. Thank you.